Today we are going to learn a reverse method in array, JavaScript array. So now let we start. Let array well okay 157. Okay, now array well dot reverse. Now you can log this array well. This will return a reverse array. So 7531. And if we are going to, this is the numeric. If we are going to array val is equal string 1975. Now you can see the difference. This will be 57. This will be this. This will be a reverse array 5791. Okay. Yes, 5791 because this is a reverse. Okay. If you think this video is helpful to you, like this video and subscribe my channel and make sure hit the bell icon to get the notification when I upload the video. Share this video with your friends, colleague who wants to learn JavaScript. Thank you very much to watching my video.